What's going on, everybody? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 25 Week 10 live cop. This week, unfortunately, we're not going for too much, so I do hope this is not your very first live cop of mine that you are watching. So if you end up not liking this live cop because we're not really spending much money and it's not that crazy of a week, make sure you check the playlist down below of all my other live cops because I've been doing this for years. So like I said, I really hope this is not your first video of mine that you are watching. I already know how this goes. We're only going for a couple of things. It's not going to be that great of a video, but we're still going to make it anyways. So let's get into this live cop. So this week is highlighted by the Wu-Tang collab, and there's not really too many items that I think are going to have a really big resale value, but I could be completely wrong. Like, I thought the jersey was going to be probably the best item because all the jerseys for me are doing great in the past, but it's very low ranked on the list. So clearly I must have been the only one thinking that. We might go for a RZA tee. What's the back say? What I think we're going to try to do is get one of the tees, one or two of the beanies, but then what I'm most excited for this entire week is the contrast S mesh back 6 panel. Wow, that was really hard to say, I'm not gonna lie. So this comes in 4 colorways and it just looks like it fits just like these hats, and I love the way my bare knuckles hats fits. So I kind of want to get all of these to see if I like any of them, but even if I don't like them, I can always resell them because, you know, we're always going for stuff for the store. So regardless, I think this is going to be a good cop because I do really like those hats, even though it's, wow, it's the third to last voted thing. So clearly, again, nobody is really liking the things that I like. There's not really too many things to talk about. I mean, it's just the Wu-Tang collab and no really standout pieces to me. I think the skateboard is probably the coolest thing next to the jersey, but we might pass on the skateboard. Wait, is it a set or is that just the front and the back? No, I think it's the front and the back, or maybe it's just 2 skateboards. Yeah, so I don't know. We might go for that. We might not. I am running a little bit behind as usual because I do have to get going here pretty soon. So I guess it's kind of lucky for me that this week is nothing too crazy. So unfortunately, we couldn't talk too much about the drop before it happens this time. But before we start the live cop, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. And again, thank you guys so much for all the support. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We only got a couple seconds left until the drop because as usual, I'm running a little bit behind. I do feel like this is going to be quite an easy drop because we're not going for anything crazy. There shouldn't be a queue, but who knows? Should be an easy dub for us, but we are about to find out. And here is all the Fox stuff that I'm still pretty upset about. I can't believe how fast this sold out. I actually didn't even check market on this yet, so this could be a big flop, or this is probably reselling for like $500 to $1,000, and I'm just upset about it. It looks like just about everything from the Fox collab is sold out except the pants too, so that was a really good drop. I did like that drop a lot, and all of these sold out. Wow, I feel like that's a first. We have 5 seconds left until the drop, so let's go. All right, it's 11. Here we are. What? Oh, I thought it already loaded. I thought that was crazy for a second. All right, here we go. Oh wow, loading pretty slow. I just want to get this in black. I don't really think I want to get that in white. Could be a big flop on my part. Please let me get all of these. Come on, it's going slow. No way. Come on. Come on, you can do it. 4. Okay, we are $10 away, so I might just get this black beanie. And then we should be good to go. I don't know, you guys think that, I mean, obviously you're seeing this after the drop already happened, but do you guys think that the tee is going to resell? I'm kind of 50-50 on it. Before the video, I didn't really think it was, but now I kind of feel like it might. Wow, there actually is a queue, unless we get right through. Okay, right through, there we go. We should be able to get this. Okay, I failed the captcha as usual, but now we should be good. All right, we got it. That was free shipping, right? Yeah, okay, because I was trying to get as close as I possibly could to free shipping because it wasn't anything too crazy. And we did get the t-shirt. Now, before I end the live cop, let's go back and see. I don't think I'm going to go for a second cart. I did forget to talk about this jacket because I was running so far behind, but this actually is pretty sick. I wasn't really feeling it at first, but it kind of almost looked like a camo, so I don't know, it's pretty cool to me. It's kind of growing on me. $500 though kind of sucks. And then what else was there, so we didn't have much time to talk about it. This was the jersey I thought was sick, but I don't think anyone else thought this was sick. Maybe I just like all of the jerseys, but the XL did sell out in that colorway. That's a 168, oh 158 too, so that's even better, honestly. Not that bad of a price. There were the matching pants. Let me just check this real quick. So full size run. I could have expected that, honestly, but it's all good. And then the hat still should be there. Oh, honestly, kind of forgot all about the skateboard, but I want to just go for the skateboard. So this actually is just one. It's just the front and the back, because I couldn't really tell when I was doing the intro, but it's a pretty sick deck. Who knows? I might regret not getting this. But yeah, that was a light week. That was a terrible live cop. Yeah, that was a terrible live cop since I didn't really go for anything. And these pants did sell out though. I was kind of on the fence about these as well, but I've been having really bad luck with the pants, so we did skip out on those, and I did actually forget to mention them as well. Let me do one more refresh and see if anything sold out. Wow, the hat sold out too. That's crazy. Okay, the beanies are out, so that's cool. Maybe I should have got more than just one. Did any of these go? Not the size I got. Maybe that will sell out though. So I guess I could end the screen recording here. So that was unfortunately, again, one of my least eventful live cops, but I still hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said at the beginning, I do have a playlist of all my other live cops throughout the year, so if you want to check any of those out and the better videos, it will be in the description down below. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. Not really too much of an outro I can give. Nothing really crazy sold out that we went for. I mean, like I said, I wasn't going to be that crazy of live cops, so I do really hope this is not the first video of mine that you are seeing. And before I go, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store at the Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below. I hope next week will be a bit of a bigger week, so we'll have to wait and find out. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. And again, let me know in the comments down below if you picked up anything from this drop. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.